How to create Schefflera plant into root over rock bonsai. It is widely known as umbrella tree, a native to tropical rainforest and some Pacific islands. This rock-like structure is actually made of bricks. So, if the rocks are not available around you, then you can create your own rock. Here's the video for them. Let's find out how I make it. Collect small pieces of bricks. To create a rock-like structure, you will need a mixture of cement by 3:2 ratio, that is 3 cups of cement to 2 cups of sand, and it should be wet enough. Now put the bricks one by one in a circular shape. Always put the larger bricks first as a foundation base. Place it tight into desirable look. Keep your work slow and steady. Make sure each brick you place is perfectly matched in the gap. After working for a few hours, it is finished. Now this structure is ready for root over rock bonsai. But before that, keep it in a cool place for a few days. This is the plant which I collect from a tree. Now place it carefully where it will look best. Here I think it will look good. From here, I have to bind it tight. You can use any kind of thread to bind the roots. This is my soil mixture. I'm adding some of this to the roots. It will provide necessary nutrients for the roots to grow quickly. After finishing the whole process, cover the roots with a nice jute bag to protect them from direct sunlight. Now keep it in a shady area. It is July 2024. The plant looks mature and healthy. Now I have to repot it on a new pot. The rock is covered with many tiny roots. Now it's time to bring it into shape. This stem here is quite big. I have to cut it from this. First, let me remove this. It is quite heavy. This is my regular soil mixture. That is 50% soil, 30% sand and 20% fertilizer. Now place it carefully. Spray the roots with some water to prevent it from drying out during repotting process. Arrange the roots carefully. If the roots are intact, then it will manage to grow quickly. So we have to place them carefully while repotting. Now add the soil mixture and make sure it is tight. The placement of rock is not straight enough, so I'm putting some bricks under it. Now it will look better. This is after a few months. Here some new branches can be seen from recently cutting point, which is very crucial for the future canopy. I have to do some cutting here to get more branches. Bonsai with more branches always look more attractive. Now remove all the remaining soil and make it a clean look. While maintaining root over rock bonsai, keep only 2 or 3 main roots. Always remove the unnecessary tiny roots. This plant needs a consistent watering schedule. Water only when the top inch of soil is dry. Avoid overwatering as it can lead to root rot. Schefflera is a popular indoor plant. They are known for their ability to thrive in low-light conditions, making them a good choice for homes with limited natural light. Some Schefflera species like the Australian umbrella plant can grow on other trees, which makes them an ideal plant for root over rock bonsai. Their leaves are umbrella-like appearance, with multiple leaflets coming from a central stalk. They have many environmental benefits like natural air purifier and use in many herbal preparations. These are the few tips on maintaining Schefflera plant. If you like our videos, then please do subscribe our channel for more unique content. Thank you so much for watching.